right, so we're now done with analytical trigonometry, which was the hardest thing that we had to do all year. We're actually going to move into what's called now applied trigonometry. And what this is actually going to do is it's going to teach us how to solve triangles that are not right triangles anymore. So the first thing we need to do is we need to talk about some vocabulary and notation. So everything that we go forward, every video going forward, is going to be based off of this vocabulary and this notation. So the first thing I want to do is I will reference what we call an oblique triangle. So an oblique triangle. A-O-B-L-I-Q-U-E, I think. I can't spell. So oblique, and I'm never going to spell out the word triangle. I'm just going to put a triangle with an apostrophe S. Triangles, whatever. All right. So an oblique triangle is basically a non-right triangle. So I don't have an angle that's 90 degrees in there anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to have formulas that's going to work for every triangle that exists. Even if it's a 90-degree triangle, you'll be able to use these formulas. But you generally don't because you use the regular trigonometry functions, your sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, cotangent, for your right triangles. All right, so let's look at notation for an oblique triangle. So I'm going to just draw an oblique triangle here. And oblique, this, we can even say this is an equilateral triangle because there's not a 90-degree angle in here. Now, if you remember from geometry, all points are uppercase letters. So A, this is going to be B, and C. All right. Now, this point A is a vertex of the angle BAC. But I'm not going to write it as angle BAC. I'm going to basically just say, hey, what's angle A? And it's going to be capital A. So these capital letters are going to represent my angle. So A, when I say angle A, you're going to go find point A, and it's going to be that's the vertex of the angle you're looking for. All right. Now, directly across from each of these is a leg of the triangle, a side of the triangle. Directly across is going to be the lowercase letter that's paired with it. So capital A is the angle, lowercase a is the side directly across from angle A. Across from angle B would be lowercase b, and across from angle C would be lowercase c. So every formula that we're going to use is going to be based on this idea. So you'll need to have this in your notes so you can reference back if you forget that angle A is directly across from side A. You'll never see angle C and directly across being side A. That won't happen. It'll always be the lowercase letter of whatever angle this is. So that's really all the notation you need. We're going to kind of dive into these triangles here. This is not terribly bad. Your challenge is going to be not to overthink this. Because the last stuff we're doing was really difficult and really difficult. This, don't overthink it. It's as simple as it seems. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzer, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.